Scaredy cat, the adventurer. Come inside. Meanwhile, Stella, no. No, 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 no. It's impossible to keep that woman contained. Somebody's taking a little break. Good morning, little bee in the thistle. So this is our garage, and I want to make it look like it's a house because we don't have a front door. So this is kind of our front door. It leads to our utility room, and this wall that I'm unscrewing things from is the wall in the garage that leads to the inside of the house. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just putting some spackle over the holes and hoping that once I sand it down it will be flat so that when I paint it, it'll look nice. There are spider webs all over the wall. This project will definitely not be done today. I'm just starting the preliminaries. I had thought about putting up shingles in this area to make it look a little bit like a cottage. Taking a moment to wait for the spackle to dry and look out how much the roots grew. This is for the drywall, and this one's for wood. Yeah, this one stinks. Ew, look at that gross garage door.
On that farm, she had some ducks.
Trying to see if I can fix these edges. As I said before, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I am trying to build up the wood, the corner of the wood, to make it sharper, because somehow it's been damaged by something and we're not going to be replacing the boards. So the drywall spackle has dried already, so I'm just doing a little bit of sanding. It actually comes off a lot more easily than I thought it would. When I first started this project, I didn't think this tape was going to be as big of an issue, but Jared told me just to take it off and then re-spackle those areas. Well, it's nighttime. I haven't done much else than what you see here. I pulled off a long strip of tape right there and then had to spackle over it. So after that, I just let it wait, because the pink turns to white when it's dry. It's like chalky. It comes off pretty easily, actually. Anyway, maybe tomorrow I will find some time after our job to sand all this. And then here's what I did on the doors. I tried to create a corner where there wasn't one, but it's not perfect. But I don't care. Whatever I do is going to be way better than this. Grody. Also, I did a few spots on this other side of the door, but I think I'm going to do just this one side, maybe just around this for now, and go from there. Yeah, so I'm proud of myself for getting at least this much done.